Have you ever gone to pick up your cell phone and this happens? An overheated phone can mean the end of your device. Cool things down with the Razer Phone Chroma Cooler. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. We're huge fans of the Razer Chroma series. In fact, we've now reviewed almost every piece of color-coordinated gaming gear they make. But now it's time for the mobile gamers. The ones that just can't seem to put their phones down. Let's take a closer look at the Razer Phone Chroma Cooler. Specs and features. Out of the box, there's just 3 items. The Razer Phone Cooler, a 1.5mm USB-C to USB-C cable, and of course, the instruction manual. Inside the cooler is a 7-blade fan assembly, an electric Peltier cooling tile, and a heatsink that draws warm air away from your device. You've also got 12 customizable LEDs embedded behind the fans, capable of an almost infinite array of patterns and over 16 million colors. You can sync it up with the Razer Chroma RGB app and control your whole suite of lit-up gear. The model we're reviewing today is built for the iPhone and rated MagSafe compatible for both the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series. It should just snap and stick on automatically. For other types of phones, you can pick up the Android clamp version sold separately. When powered on, the result is a noticeably cooler, almost cold phone. For those who play the occasional game of Candy Crush on the toilet, you might never need something like this. But if you're a fan of big, high-graphics games and long gaming sessions, this might be the perfect solution to your hot-handed problems. But it's not just your smartphone that this device is good for. Any gadget that starts to get a little warm with heavy use can benefit from a well-placed cooler. So what do we like about the Razer Phone Chroma Cooler? Despite being small and low-powered, this thing really works. It's able to significantly reduce the heat coming from a smartphone during long gaming sessions or heavy graphics rendering. You also can't go wrong with the Chroma RGB lighting scheme, especially with a few different gadgets all in sync. So what's the downside? Having to be tethered to a wall charger, PC, or power bank is a little annoying, but an attached battery pack would just add more weight, making the device uncomfortable. So what do you need to know before you go online and buy one? A lot of people take an overheating phone as a sign to take a break from whatever you're doing. Ignoring that hint can do serious damage to your battery and the surrounding electronics. If you're going to stay up all night playing Raid Shadow Legends, at least protect your phone from melting. So, how does the Razer Phone Chroma Cooler rate out of 10? An amazing product for the hardcore mobile gamer who appreciates lit-up aesthetics. We're giving it an 8 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link we've included in the description below and pick one up for only $56, or you could enter the Review to You drawing and win one for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.